Okay, so why are we interested in connected components? Well, we thought it would be interesting to find significance in connected components of space that are roughly equal in density. And we did this by first running Dr. Scargill's objective function to organize our data by density, and then find the connected components within a certain amount of density levels. So here's the basic idea within one density level. So we take the data that's already been binned by Dr. Scargill's objective function, and such that the first block has the highest density, the next block has the next highest density, all the way to the last block, which has the lowest relative density over all of the blocks. And we find connected components that are within the same density level. So going back to our California county population, we can see that our counties are binned by relative density, but they're not connected. So if we look at the first block, we have San Francisco County and Orange County, which have the same relative population density, but aren't connected. So how do we go about finding connected components within the same density level? Well, we're looking at two criteria. We're looking at, do they exist in the same density level, and are they connected? So the first block, we can see that they're not connected, so they wouldn't be in the same connected component. But if we look at the third block, we can see that we have San Mateo County and Santa Clara County, which would be in the same connected component. So here are results from running our connected components algorithm, the same density level. And we end up with 27 connected components, and each color represents a different component. And we can see that all of the counties are connected and of relatively equal density. And comparing it to our arbitrarily connected blocks, we have a lot more connected components, and that's because we've restricted our criterion for what counties we're grouping together. And when we look at our larger data set, we can see that we also have a similar result, which is more connected components, just on a larger scale because we have a lot more data to work with. But there are actually 835 colors in the 835 connected components, which is kind of a lot to look at if we're searching for significance. So we thought maybe we'd extend our density level to searching within two density levels. And Alman will tell you a little bit more about that.